Well, the Wealth Report was designed by our research division about 12 years ago, so we're now into the 12th edition of the report, and it's a guide really for us to understand the movements and where the creation of wealth of the ultra high net worth individual. It helps us as a business understand the markets that we should be focusing on, but also helps our clients really follow where this wealth is coming from, where it's being created, and where it has desires to move, and what are the key things that they enjoy as a target investment. The way we track an ultra high net worth individual is somebody usually with nettable assets of about 30 million US dollars. In this year's edition, though, we've started to look more closely at the ultra high net worth, the really sort of top end of that market, to see what movements and whether there's much difference between them. And that's starting to study at about just above 50 million US dollars as nettable assets. Well, I'm glad to say that property seems to fare quite high. As a property company, that's a great relief for us. It's in two sides. It's whether you're looking from an investment point of view or whether you're looking at it from an objects of passion. So the ultra high net worth clients have invariably spent a great deal of their money on property, on bonds and securities, and they seem to be the standout two leaders actually in the world. However, that demand and that desire to spend and to invest in more tangible assets, super yachts. There were 150 super yachts completed last year. We're breaking records on the sale of art, of classic cars, of wine, etc. Well, we run in the Wealth Report an attitude survey, which really looks at, we ask about 50 ultra high net worth clients and about 10,000 of their advisors, just to try and get a gauge for what city they feel is important. And what the report tells us is that out of the top 10 cities that they focus on, Europe manages to have 6 out of those top 10. London, despite the local difficulties that we face at the moment, London still comes out on top. But New York is very closely second, and they seem to trade places on a yearly basis. But it's very much those top 10. Is that all right?
Perfect.
Cool.
So perfect.